Hello friends, we have decided to talk about the overuse of plastic, and as creative students we are going to propose a creative solution. This is a project made by Aitor, Madi, Patri and Paula. We hope you enjoy it and learn a lot about this dangerous problem for all of us. First of all, we are going to give you some information to introduce the topic. Then we will show you a video, and after that finally we will do a conclusion with a solution.
Here are some facts about plastic. Did you know that 8 million tons of plastic equals the size of 800 Eiffel Towers? Sadly, every second, more than 200 kilograms of plastic waste ends up in our ocean. The plastic that goes into the ocean has created 5 islands of waste. In Spain, only 50% of plastic is being recycled, and the other 50% ends up in landfills. It takes 500 years for a plastic bottle to decompose, 100 years for lighters to decompose, 55 years for a plastic bag to decompose, and 6 months for an inflatable balloon. Marine species worldwide are ingesting and getting entangled with plastic. 86% of sea turtles ingest and get entangled with plastic. 23% of seals ingest plastic, and 28% of them get entangled with it. 36% of seabirds ingest plastic, and 16% of them get entangled with it. Our marine life is becoming filled with plastic.
We are going to tell you a story about Pablo, but let's start from the beginning. Pablo's friend, Lucia, was sailing one day, and once she had finished her bottle of water, she threw it in the ocean as there was no bin around. The bottle sank into the water and the lid came off. A fish who passed by ate the lid of the bottle. A fisherman fished it and brought it to a supermarket, where Pablo bought the fish. The same day, Pablo invited Lucia to have dinner. He prepared a delicious baked fish, but Pablo, almost without realizing, has eaten the bin. A few hours later, his stomach started to hurt, and he ended up at the hospital.
So what can we do to not contaminate ourselves? Here are some solutions. First, as designers, we have to reduce the use of plastic in packaging. We can use ecological materials such as glass, cardboard or fabric. Recycle. Everybody needs to recycle because our planet needs it. Reuse. Give it a second life. And reduce. Avoid buying products with plastic packaging. And remember, 1 out of 4 fishes contain particles of plastic. Let's change this.